Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Crack an egg into a small ramekin and slowly add it to the skillet. Repeat with the other egg, adding it to the other side of the skillet. Cover with a tight lid and cook, uninterrupted, until the whites are completely set but the yolks are still runny, 2 to 2.5 minutes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While a runny yolk is a delicious treat for many people, children under 5 should eat their eggs fully cooked. There's no justification to risk your child's health for a runny egg, because it's tasty. The 15th of May 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you're trying to cut back on calories, choose poached or boiled eggs. These cooking methods don't add any extra fat calories, so the meal will be lower in calories than fried or scrambled eggs or an omelette.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.